Let's take a look at the typical data flow in a microcontroller. So this is our microcontroller. We have external components here like LED, button, motor, or it can be an external system trying to exchange data with the microcontroller through USB, UART, SPI, I2C, or anything. Uh, so all this data is now, all these peripherals are memory mapped. So there are registers and memory regions through which this data comes into the microcontroller. And this is executed upon using registers. So these are the core ARM registers, and these are the execution units like an ALU or a floating point unit, arithmetic and logic unit. So they act upon this data and do stuff to all these memory map regions. The program from the host computer. So for example, I'm writing a code on this computer. I have to transfer that code after compilation into the microcontroller, and that is moved to flash in the process called flashing. So at the startup, the processor reads this flash and sets up all the appropriate registers and figures out what is the memory structure and starts executing the code. We have here the random access memory. Usually it's the SRAM in the microcontrollers that stores the temporary data. The difference between flash and RAM is once we turn off and on a microcontroller, the data in a RAM will be lost, but the flash will retain the data.